meron bang brave soul who can share with me? Yun yung positive, di ba? Travel, financial security, farm life. What would be some issues or worries around the concept of retirement?
Hospitalization.
Sorry?
Hospitalization.
Hospitalization, exactly. Kasi di ba, we all know of the rising cost of healthcare. Alam natin na pag nag-retire tayo, we will have to be facing healthcare costs. So, sana hindi dahil na-diagnose tayo with sickness, but because we want to maintain our health, our wellness, di ba? What else? Sorry, I heard something here, the side. Wala. So personally ako, I'm actually worried or my issue would be whether yung ipon ko ba, my savings, would be enough, to last me through the years that I am alive. So ang insurance mo kasi,